People, woohoo! So, man, my brothers are out here and they got some artillery. This is an M16 chambered in 30-06. I am completely joking because that would be illegal here in Canada. This is a 22. It's called Ria Imports TM22 chambered in 22. Let's check her out. She looks cool, doesn't she? Canada, don't ban it. Leave it alone. All right, let's see what she can do. Let's see what she can do. I'm not hitting nothing, but we're far. We're about 80 yards. Empty. I'll tell you, you know what I love about a 22 though? Don't gotta wear ears. Absolutely no recoil. Ammo's real cheap. I think I'm gonna get me one of these, man. This is real nice. This is real nice. Thank you, brother. This is real nice. All right, I'm gonna try and hit something this time. This time I'm gonna cheat. This time I'm gonna cheat. We're gonna kneel down. Man, not one. As they say here in Alberta, I crapped the bed. Maybe I should just even not upload that because that was disgusting. But as for a nice semi-auto rifle, man, this thing is amazing. TM22A/18 Ria Imports. Man, that's fun. That's nice, man. You want to give her a go?
Let me try it.
Here, let me load around. I'm mad for you.
Okay.
Why the flies is bothering me like this? Here, let me pause. All right, I loaded a mag for my brother. These magazines hold 11 rounds. Go ahead, let's see if you can hit something. I hit nothing. Let's see if you can beat me. He hits. Oh, first malfunction. Oh, it wasn't a malfunction, it's a dud.
Wait, what was it?
It was a dud.
Ah, okay.
You hit it, just didn't.
One.
So he got one. He beat me. I'm gonna cry all the way home. That was horrible. The tears are already coming.
But for the 22, it's fun.
It's fun. No
fun.
recoil.
Nothing.
Don't have to wear ears.
You
Ammo's cheap. Can shoot that all day. And it's super reliable. We've put maybe 100 rounds through this baby. And she's worked flawless. Besides that dud. But that's the ammo's fault, not the gun's fault. Beautiful. I think I'm gonna get me one of these. Venture off in the 22 bracket. So people, kaboom, kaboom.